Good morning. Today we'll be see the BMC model of nViDIA. In last BMC we have seen about the Google. So in last lecture itself I have discussed about how to see start this BMC, like from the value proposition and how it integrate with the customer relationship and how we interact with the channels and how we do the cost structure and revenue streams. And today I'll be discussing about the nViDIA business model. So here you can see I have shown you the overview of the key partners, key activity, key resources, and we have to see start from the value proposition, customer relationship, key resources, key activity, key partners, then our cost structure, and then customer segment, all those parameters. So we'll be see as a live lecture, live video. I'll be giving the next. I'll show you the how the nViDIA has been become a very large.
Today, we are explaining the business model canvas behind the tech giant nViDIA. So you probably seen the famous CEO and of course his signature letters, signature leather jackets, and but the real story is not about the jacket. It's a powerful engine he has built. So what is the secret sauce that turned Nvidia into such a tech titan? So okay, let's get into it. So it's all a boil down to one thing, like innovation. In fiscal 2023, they poured about 4 million billion into the R&D alone. This massive spending builds their key resources, giving them a deep competitive moat and their most critical resources in their intellectual property. Over 11,000 patents. So, what does all that investment get you? Technology that is absolutely dominates the competition. So, take their latest gaming GPU as for example, a two times performance leap over the prior gen. But here is the thing, like it is not just about the hardware, it is about the entire ecosystem. Get this, over 200,000 developers are building app just for nvidia platform. This developer army gives them a huge advantage, basically locking the customers into their tech. So who is actually buying all this powerful stuff? So let's take a look. You might know them for gaming, but their biggest market is now the data center for cloud and AI. But really, their tech is everywhere, from Hollywood studio to the actual cost we drive it. All these values is why they keep over the 90% of their enterprise customers. So it's all comes together to create this powerful self-sustaining growth loop, a business flyover, and the main driver of this all that the revenue, this values why they keep like 90% of this enterprise customer. So it's all come together to create the powerful sustaining the growth loop and a business flywheel. And the main driver of all that revenue is, you guess it, like gpu sales. So that what they do with this all that money, it again it goes right back into the engine. And here is the proof, their single biggest operating cost is, you guessed it, r&d. So basically their profit is from today's killer chip, so go right into the creating tomorrow's. So it is a model that really becomes the gold standard for innovation in the tech world. But they are definitely not alone. Pretty much every other tech giant is a competitor, which leads to big questions. Can Nvidia flywheel keep it out spinning everyone else? NVIDIA does not absolutely does not go alone. They need a manufacturing giant like TSMC, and Samsung to actually build their chips. So they work hand in hand with the big cloud players like AWS, Google, Microsoft to make sure that their stuff works perfectly. So already we have I shown all this like key partners of AWS, Google, Microsoft. So they're partners with the innovator in every field, from Mercedes Benz to the tin, and they even fosters in whole ecosystems of over 8,500 startups. So and we can see in there is a single biggest line item that is like they spend more over like $4 billion in R&D, and that is like we can see their whole cost structure is just built around one thing, that is innovation. And that brings us to a big final question, sir. Look, nViDIA has been built their incredible power, almost untouchable ecosystems. But here's a twist: like many of the biggest partner, you know that giant cloud companies are also a biggest potential competitors. They are working together on their own custom chips. So the question is, I want to leave with you is just how to secure NVIDIA in a throne really. Thank you.
Let's talk. All right.